Right, we're loading. Okay, see? I figured since I want the camera coordinates in world space, I would need to know of how, what world space would I exactly use for it. So let's try ChatGPT or Claude. Let's see. How wide is the human vision? Let's start from there. What does that mean in terms of meters? Okay, yeah, that checks out. Okay. So give me numbers. To what? Okay. Using 100. Hold up, that's why don't you just give me with okay. At 1 meter, okay. At 1 meter, it's what? You did not tell me. 11. North mathematically. Okay, well, okay, so you estimated this and that. All right, so 11 meters at 1 meter z. Let's do this for cameras and cameras. All right, so it's yeah, I see these a lot, but I'm not gonna calculate it. Let's just 60 is no wonder the all of our photos look like shit. You know what? I'm making camera and a render system. Jeez. For a game engine. Let's see what it has to say about that. Just want to work in peace. Alright. Sorry, I had to close by mistake. Anyways. So... I'm not sure I can focus. Why are we using 60 and 90 if the human vision is, let me just sense it. Why use 90 if the human vision is near, what was it? 160? Oh fuck! Capstone. Human vision, yeah, no shit. Back with the disconnect, sorry about that. Anyways. 40, 60, Can we actually simulate all that? Anyways, I'm gonna use... Hold on. Arduino. This is funny. Anyways. Perspective matrix is typically... What's that? Far, near, far... What's... I will bother with this later. Anyways, I think... So basically... Where's paint? Basically, we are saying that the usual FOV, let's represent it with a line. Let's say this line is how much the field of view, this is like 60 here. Let's say this is 60. Holy shit, this font is small. Cute. Okay, this should do it. Anyways, 60, and here, 160. And this is the range between it. Usually, let's choose this. So, usual cameras, or usual 3D cameras, are like a line, either here, maybe, or here. Oh, fuck, no! I missed it. Let's use a normal one for now. It's usually a line, either here, or here. But human vision is something like, it's a line here. Wait, no. It's a line here, but it's sort of like that. Oh, wait. Yeah, like it starts here, but it changes the focal length as it goes. I wonder why this has never been done before. Was it like forgotten? Did they just make cameras and forget about it? Maybe I can try it out if it's not too much work. Let me type this out before I forget it. FOV Okay. Blue is a human. Wait, no. Let's go with that. Cameras. Wow. Cameras. 3D. How about, can I just center it? No, of course not. This is... let's make it smaller. This looks like an eyesore. Anyways. Cameras in 3D are black. Oof, no. Okay. Anyways. And humans. Let's save it. Save as. Don't hack my computer. Wow. Yeah, anyways. Why PNG if you don't even store transparency? FOV can view, I guess. Basically, I just need to make the meters. What was I saying? It keeps disconnecting, distracting me. Maybe the whole FOV thing is checking how far and close things are or displaying them. I'll look it up later, but for now, I guess there was the Benny box did explain that. I'm gonna check it out. But now, let's assume it's at meters. The depth, like if I had to say, my system takes a 3D location for the camera and projects it on the surface. So if I had to guess, instead of this being the Z, or this technically, this would be the Z. For example, the middle point of the camera would be very close to the same point, to the same depth, but it will go back more gradually. Okay. So what does that mean for my code? I have no idea. I'm gonna have to figure it out. VR headset, curved displays, multiple monitors. Feels natural on a yeah, I mean you have a good point, but depth perception. I'm gonna have to try that out later to see. I mean the center can match the vision and anyways. I am projecting the pixels anyway. But let's try it. What do I have here? Sorry, I'm pretty distracted right now. What is it? So this is chicken. Okay. So what I need to check, what I need to change is the pixel coordinates. Okay, so this is the number I need to change. Let's add it. And this needs to be compact. I did not ask you to remove that space. Alright. Let's call it pixel. Actually, I need to get used to this convention. Pixel shift. And let me just copy it here. Let's see. There we go. For now, let me use it. It should be based on the Z depth. Like, this is the camera, since how far it is from, hold on. Like how far the object is from the camera. That's the depth I'm talking about. And I actually got it wrong. It should be like this because the width of this first text is gonna be 11 meters when this is 1 meter. And where is that? So where should I do to explain it? So it's based on the angle. This is the equation. So 2 times the meters, the z. Okay, hold on. I think we got some sort of circular dependency here. Maybe, maybe not. Or maybe I just figured out what the depth, how the depth can be scanned. So over here, I'm shifting the pixels so I can scan where they fall on the list of 3D stuff I have. Like what part of the 3D stuff can this pixel see? So this is what I do here, and it kind of relies on the x, like it relies on one number. It does not account for depth. If you check here, I will need how far the thing is, how far the 3D stuff are, to calculate this. This is what I'm trying to solve right now. Let me try if I can see. This checks where the x is. This sends the exact coordinates where I should look or compare. But this differs in 3D space. I think I'm gonna have to edit this function and have it or maybe not. Hold up, I need a moment. Guys, silence this for a bit. Back. Okay. Where this should be. So anyways. Trying to figure this out. This does not exactly need the same distance, but it does. Maybe I should calculate it at the max distance. That might need further geometry, but it's kind of fine because I'm already passing in less than usual. So maybe check the cutoff point, how far it is, and calculate it here, then spread the pixels over it, but when rendering them below, I would add the pixel shift. Like, when comparing here, the closest vert. Let me add that as a comment. Consider z based OV based on the geometry distance. I guess this should do. Alright. Now how to apply this shit? In visual terms, let me try that again. So I have this camera. I need some unique color for it. Maybe. This camera. It's just a single point in space. It's not really a dimension. And I have probably, hold on, the cutoff view, or like the max distance the camera can see. Hold on. Let's put it here. I don't know. Okay, anyways, it should do. So when rendering the first pass, or like when picking up what geometry I would render, I would have to make an entire box. Oh shit, that's not what I want. Anyways, wait. Hell, why? Why? Why change the fucking color when I... Whatever. Anyways. I'm fucking up everything. Okay. Can I use something proper now? Anyways. Nice. So, since this is the max width and distance I can use, I would get all the geometry over here, not just... No! No! Not just the... I would love to have a proper editing software. Not just these. Not just this place. Like, I would not cut off these. I would keep them in. I would get all the stuff in the black box. But when filtering them down, I would filter by their distance from the camera. Wait, this is not the light. I would filter by the distance from the camera, so let me use another color, maybe blue. This would determine, as ChatGPT said it, this. For example, let's say there is a point here at like 3 meters or 1 meter away, and the width here would be 11 meters from GP, I think I remember that. And the pixel location from here would be the number of pixels wide divided by the width of the entire plane. I think I just managed it. Let's see here. No. Yes. Okay. Let's do this for now. Let's try this. So pixel shift would be... What was the equation again? 2 times... I'm gonna need a distance function. But anyways, whatever it is, distance times... Do I have math here? It's called math, okay. Math. Okay, math, but tangent. Wait, I have a distance function. Alright, that's good. I have a distance function already, which means I don't have to bother here. I just have to the closest for... Not here. This is where I used it, I think. So data.model data and world max. Okay, so Control X. I do not need this for now. Let's try the math that distance up. It's, I think it's a vector 3. Vector 3. Cool. Okay. Instead of this, I'm gonna do this. I don't have a tangent. Do I have... Okay, tangent. Oh, then... Yeah, which library, please? Math library than the one I used. Okay. Let's do this. Remove this. And math dot... Yes, let's complicate things more. because they're not complicated enough. Math len dot n. Yep, we got it. So the tangent of what? What was it? Field of view. I'm gonna have to make a field of view variable, and it should be in data. But let's use 70 for now. Thank you, Sublime. I would buy as soon as I get the money, but right now I'm fucking broke. Anyways, what was it again? FOV data.fov. Fuck. Wrong data. Wrong typing of data. Data. FOV. Or data. Anyways, FOV on 2. I have a distance function. Instead of making it a pixel shift, it's gonna be times. I'm gonna need another variable here. Or if I didn't already have it. Scale factor, model path, okay, whatever. Let's see, call it culling range. What kind of culling range would I? Let's set 300 meters for now. Just so it takes it as a float. Anyways, times pixel shift times distance it's I don't know what the kind of distance let's make a new variable here called FOV. No, not like this. FOV distance is I'm gonna have to make a function for this, but for now, let's just test it out with anything. Let's go with data dot FOV distance. And here I'm gonna no wait. It does not have FOV distance, it's FOV. No, it's not FOV, it's culling range. Okay, here we go. Now. God damn it. I do not need this. The distance literally this. I'm a fucking idiot. Okay. So pixel shift is this. So really let's just put this here. And put this here. Times, okay. Now I'll just need the FOV distance. There we go, Control C. Times FOV. This branch. Why? Where's autocomplete? Anyways. Control C, Control V. Let's just take all this. Let's see. Oh. V. Yeah, I do. Hold on. To do. Divide FOV. Divide no, not the distance. I do not. Control V. Let's just pixel shift. Sure, I did not save it. I think that's the problem. Screw off. Pixel shift. Yeah, cool. Oh. I need one called pixel coordinates. No, pixel, not coordinates, pixel coverage, range. Let's use that. Is pixel shift. Control V. Pixel shift times, hold up, pixel range width. This is width only. Pixel shift on actual width. All right. Pixel shift minus Control C, Control V, and this should be plus this. What did I fuck up? Let's say expected a comma, got a new line. Comma where? It's you mean here? Is it case sensitive, space sensitive? Or less? Why would you want a comma here? Where did I fuck up? Did I fuck up one of these? Wait, this maps to this. Why? Oh, fuck. Gotcha. There we go. Problem solved, I hope. Let me try this and see what happens now. Did I say beta? Well, yes. Wait, this is not an core loop. Calling range is not declared. Maybe. What? Is it a typo thing? Core loop? Yeah, right. It's data.calling range. Where's pixel shift 64? Let's just do it F32. Wait, it said distance, not... Fuck off. Never mind. I just had to... F32. It should do. Right. How is that an int? I'll learn it later. Of course I would fuck everything. Yes. Sure. Right. So the tangent is the problem. Let's try. I don't get what the fuck you mean. Is this all I need? Oh, fuck. Hold on. Yes. Let's guess, yeah. Can't complain. Compared to C++, this is much easier. Let's see. Okay, loading. Oh, fuck, it just crashed. And this is out of... Let's see. Something went out. This went out of range after a check, but this did not. Excuse me? Out of range that is under the range. That does not make sense, my man. That really does not make sense. Hold on. Let me just... Claude, I need air support. Where's Claude? Help, please. You can help me by helping me. Just load already. Okay. Control V, come on. This is one. And, where was my... Well, no shit. It's this line. It's literally the error is there. Okay, so range Y was the problem. Alright. I'm only collecting... Hold on. Anyways. It's all the same. No, not here, not here. Hold on. Continue folder. Here. Come on, Picasso, please. Where Picasso? Excuse me, I need to check my image. Huh? Yeah, there we go. Yes, always use Picasso for PNG, and you did not have to check my entire family history before running an image viewer. Alright. So are these the same? No. It's not the same pattern, it's actually detecting the X. Let's try it. Too big, one small, one whatever, too big, one small, one too big. Yeah, it's definitely not the same thing. Huh? We actually did get somewhere. Nice. Okay. So what did I want to do next? Let me just push this. Render. Alright. How do I push this again? Schedule. You can track them, I don't care. My internet, my upload speed might tank for a moment. Because, you know, I need to upload this shit. What's the commit message? And then just render testing and okay. This is the core loop. Frame pixels, generate pixels, PIXELATED, whatever. We're getting divide. Okay. So, added FOV distance, and this gets, okay, basically added world of the vertices and map to the pixel projection. That's in simple terms. For now, it only maps them at max distance. That's FOV and dependent, which is probably called usually orthographic. I misclicked. Alright, we'll see. I'm sorry. No, not stashed. My stash, please. Or some. I don't know how to use this. Check out commit. Okay, cool. We did it. We did it. Wait, what? Okay, it's pushing. Drop stash. Not this, please. Okay, I think it's... I did not. Flop stash is my solution, huh? Okay, sure. Back to... Okay. So I played that on... the x-axis. Wait. Wait, I'm an idiot! This should be .y, that's why the range got fucked. Okay. And it's not supposed to be at width, but let's just copy it for now. See? Okay, sorry, back. It's... Okay. Where was I? Yeah, I was fixing this. It's not width, it's height. The second one, I need a height version. Pixel shift, yeah, there we go. It should do. And here it needs update. Pass in the height, please. Yeah, there we go. Now then, control